Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we will discuss Civics Chapter 4 Key Elements of a Democratic Government. Student, this is our part 3rd reading video. Student, in this video we will read next topic, that is need to resolve conflict. Let's start. Need to resolve conflict. Now the meaning of resolve. The meaning of resolve is to find an answer to a problem. अर्थात किसी समस्या का हल निकालना या समाधान ढूंढना. Another meaning is conflict. The meaning of conflict is a fight or an argument. अर्थात विवाद या झगड़ा. Let's start. In Maya's story, you read about how conflicts can often lead to violence and death because one group decides that it is all right to use force to prevent the other group from protesting. Read the story again. Do you think the police shooting of Hector could have been avoided? How? Conflicts occur when people of different cultures, religions, regions or economic backgrounds do not get along with each other. The meaning of economic is connected with the supply of money, business, industry, etc. अर्थात आर्थिक गतिविधियों से जुड़े होना, अर्थात रुपए पैसे संबंधित कार्यों में लगे रहना. और when some among them feel they are being discriminated against, people may use violent means to settle their differences. The meaning of violent is using physical strength to hurt or kill somebody caused by this behavior. अर्थात हिंसक व्यवहार करना, अर्थात ऐसा व्यवहार करना जिससे किसी व्यक्ति की जान चली जाए या कोई व्यक्ति बहुत अधिक घायल हो जाए. This leads to fear and tension among other living in an area. The government is responsible for helping to resolve conflicts. Let us read about some of the conflicts in our society and the role of the government in resolving them. The Indian Constitution lays down the basic rules or laws that have to be followed by everyone. These laws are for both the government and the people. Conflicts and differences have to be resolved according to these laws. We will read more about this in later classes. Religious processions and celebrations can sometimes lead to conflicts. Now, the meaning of procession is a number of people, vehicles, etc. that move slowly in a line, especially as a part of a ceremony. अर्थात शोभा यात्रा या जुलूस निकालना. For example, the route a procession takes may lead to a conflict. The government, particularly the police, play an important role in getting representative of concerned communities to meet and try and arrive at a solution. The meaning of concerned is worried and feeling concern about something. अर्थात किसी के लिए चिंतित या परेशान होना. At times there is fear that violence may erupt, with people throwing stones or trying to disrupt the procession. The meaning of disrupt is to stop something happening as or when it should. अर्थात किसी कार्य या गतिविधि को अस्त व्यस्त कर देना या छिन्न भिन्न कर देना. The police is responsible for ensuring that violence does not take place. Now, the meaning of ensuring is to make sure that something happens और इज डेफिनिट, अर्थात किसी बात को सुनिश्चित करना या निश्चित करना. Rivers too can become a source of conflict between states. A river may begin in one state, flow through another, and end in a third. The sharing of river water between different states that the river goes through is becoming an issue of conflict. For example, you may heard about the Kaveri water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The water stored in Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in Karnataka is used for irrigating a number of districts and for meeting the needs of the city of Bengaluru. The water stored in Mattur Dam in Tamil Nadu is used for crops grown in the delta region of that state. A conflict arises because both dams are on the same river. The downstream dam in Tamil Nadu can only be filled up with water is released from the upstream or located in the Karnataka. The meaning of downstream is in the direction in which river flows, अर्थात नदी के बहाव की दिशा या ढलान की दिशा जिस ओर नदी बहती है. And the meaning of upstream is in the direction that a river flows, अर्थात बहाव के विपरीत दिशा, अर्थात नदी के बहाव की विपरीत दिशा या ऊंचाई की ओर. Therefore, both states can't get as much water as they needed for people in their states. This leads to conflict. The central government has to step in and see that a fair distribution is worked out for both states. Our student, this is the topic. I hope you have heard properly and also learned difficult word meanings. Till stay safe, stay happy, good luck, all the best.